Welcome to Mind XY, your channel for logical thinking and puzzle solving. Here is a problem that looks incredibly simple because every number is exactly the same. We have the number 4 appearing 3 times in a row. The equation is 4 divided by the fraction 1/4 divided by 4 again. It looks like everything should just balance out nicely, right? But when this problem is posted online, the comment sections explode. One group of people insists the answer is 1/16. The other group swears the answer is 4. Take a look. Does your intuition tell you the answer is a tiny fraction? Or is it a whole number? You have 5 seconds to decide. Do not use a calculator, just use your brain. 4 divided by 1/4 divided by 4. Lock in your answer. Is it 1/16 or is it 4? Ready? First, let us look at how 90% of people get this wrong. They fall for the cancellation trap. They look at the first part, 4 divided by 1/4. Their brain says, hey, 4 and 4, they just cancel each other out, right? They assume 4 divided by 1/4 is just 1. So they rewrite the problem as 1 divided by 4. And 1 divided by 4 is 1/4, or 0.25. If they do the math slightly differently, they might even get 1/16. But unfortunately, this logic is completely upside down. Division is not subtraction. You cannot just cancel numbers out because they look similar. To solve this, we need a secret weapon from the kitchen, the K.F.C rule. To divide by a fraction correctly, we use the K.F.C method. It stands for keep, flip, change. Let's apply it to the first part of our problem, 4 divided by 1/4. Step 1, keep. We keep the first number, 4, exactly as it is. Step 2, flip. We flip the fraction upside down. 1/4 becomes 4/1, which is just 4. Step 3, change. We change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Now the math is easy. It is not division anymore. It is 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. See that? Dividing by 1/4 actually makes the number bigger, not smaller. Now we bring down the rest of the problem. We are left with 16 divided by 4, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. The correct answer is 4. The 4's did not cancel out, they multiplied to create a bigger number before being divided back down. Remember the takeaway? Dividing by a small fraction is the same as multiplying by a big number. Never cancel, always K.F.C. Now try this one. 10 divided by 1/10 divided by 10. Is the answer 100 or is it 10? Put your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed unraveling this mathematical mystery with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into math and science. Let us know in the comments what other puzzles we should explore next. Thanks for watching.